Hi guys! Today we're going to review convenience store snacks. These are a few things I never tried before, and we're gonna start with things that it's been there for a long time. It's an old snack. It's called Apollo. It has different flavors: apple, strawberry, blueberry, pineapple. Strawberry first. Ooh. Oh. It's kind of hard to eat, but this tastes really good. Think of a strawberry flavor from Starburst, but more fruity. What's that? It makes your mouth very watery. Wow. What? A jelly straw has 4 different flavors: blueberry, peach, mango, and lychee. Okay, nope, not too bad. Yep. Not a huge fan of the blueberry one. Let's see. How do I open this? Moving on. The scissors. It smells very artificially, but it's a peach. Oh, yuck. I don't like this. Mango is a lot better. Triple powder push pop. Oh, triple power. Twist cap to open it. Boop. It's a watermelon. Not my favorite. Really? Fuck you. This is a fun candy. You can try 3 different flavors at once if you have a big mouth. Haha, what is this? It has a little seal. It seems like it's gonna be very popular amongst the kids. Look at the design. Very fake cherry syrup. Nope, not my favorite. Nope. It won't even go down. Oh, 신기하다. Wow. Wow. Oh, what is this? Oink. Oink. It's a ladybug. Oh. Cute. Okay. Ta-da. Anyhow. Yeah. Okay. 재밌겠다. 오! 이거 진짜 재밌겠다. How pretty is that package? So pretty. It says that you can eat with a cereal, a yogurt topping, and ice cream topping. Let's see how the topping tastes like. You know the one that is in the, what's that, rainbow cereal. Is that what it's called? Yum. I like it. It's frog egg jelly. It has little things inside that you can make the jelly. Okay, let's see how it is. I can smell the grapes already. Smells good. You got the spoon. Pour the water. Okay. Little thin side. Tip that off. Oh my god. Oh, can I shoot it like that? Oh, you're supposed to drop it one by one. Did you see it? What the fuck is this? Oh, it says that I should have dropped it with by 1 drops, and I didn't read it. I dropped it like a string. Ew. Okay. 이게 뭐야? I don't know what this is, but it's okay. Tastes good. Terrible. There's a little candy side. I'm gonna open this up. How do I open this up? I didn't need to take all these off. It's a watermelon. It's cute. Tastes like. Lastly, the fun part about this toy. Thanks for watching. That is it for today. Bye guys.